The Lover's House Projects. Another day, another project. On today's episode, we're going to be working in my home office. We're going to be transforming this and giving it a Taylor Swift inspired theme, starting with this main wall here, where we'll be recreating Taylor Swift's iconic Lover House. Alright, first things first, we gotta have a plan. So I've gone ahead and I've sketched out what I'm trying to accomplish. Hopefully you can tell that I'm trying to create built-ins. I want each of these eras to be like a little cubby with a little shelf, and I can display, whatever merch and memorabilia I have. And I just think it'll be really cool. We gotta tidy up. This place is a mess and we can't get any work done like this. So, time to get cleaning. All right, it looks so much better. And now for my favorite part, we can head to the store. I am at Home Depot. I'm just going to be picking up the wood here real quick. God, I hope I got enough wood. Shout out to this man right here. He is always helping me with my crazy ideas. Now for this design, we needed to do some angular cuts. We were doing 45 degree, 15 degree, and 30 degree angles. And honestly, this part I wasn't too fond of. I was so grateful for my husband because he just, I don't know, it just came so easily to him. So again, big shout out to him right here, because I don't think I probably could have done this part without him.